guys, this is Jaska here with Lavish Locks Hair Company, and today we're going to talk about shedding. Right? No one likes that word, right? So on one hand, we're going to talk about why does my wig shed, right? And on the other hand, we're going to talk about ways to prevent it. So let's get started. Number 1, combing a wig when it's wet. Number 2, combing a wig roughly to kind of smooth it out. You can pull it, you can snag it, and that will cause your wig to shed. Number 3, combing a wig from the roots to the end rather from the ends to the roots. So you just want to make sure that you are combing your wig and brushing your wig properly. So rather from combing from the roots to the end, you want to start at the end and comb up to the roots. Number 4, applying heavy, oily, greasy products to your wig. Basically what this does is it creates residue, right? So the residue will coat the hair, which will cause the hair strands to tangle, which in turn cause shedding. Number 5 is excessive heat. Have you ever noticed you start off with 24-inch bundles? After a couple of years, now they're like an 18 or a 14. Excessive heat. Excessive heat also applied directly to the lace can cause holes, it can cause rips, it can cause tears. So you just want to make sure that you avoid all of those things. The last final reason is just longevity, the lifespan of the wig. So typically if you've had the wig between 6 months to a year, that's pretty much all she's gonna do you for, right? So you just want to make sure that the life expectancy for your wig, if you're at the tail end of that, you might just want to go ahead and purchase a new wig if your wig is starting to shed, right? The best advice that I can give you is to buy 2 wigs. I know sometimes money doesn't permit, but if you can buy 2 identical wigs, you can just rotate that, or just get you a plethora of wigs. So you can just keep rotating the wigs, and then all your wigs last for years because you're not wearing it out. So there's different things that you can do to prevent your wig from shedding. So if you're sleeping in your wig because your wig is adhered to your head, you want to make sure that you're sleeping in your wig properly. That means using a satin bonnet or a headscarf, or for me, I use both. I use the headscarf to protect my edges and to protect my glue down, and then I use the satin bonnet to protect the hair. Another thing that you can do to prevent shedding is you can use a fray check. So I have some right here. So a fray check is like a weft sealer, and there's other ones. I got this from the fabric store. So you can basically take a makeup square, apply a little bit of this onto the makeup square, and you just want to dab it on the lace. You can also put it on the ends of the weft if your wig is wefted. You want to make sure that you apply this to dry, clean hair. To prevent tangling and shedding and all the things that we don't like is to brush your wig every single day. Every day. You put it on, you brush it, right? And you want to brush it like we said, brush it before. You want to start it at the end and you want to work your way up. You want to make sure that you also get all the hair at the nape of the neck, because that is a trouble area. You want to wash your hair once every 2 weeks. And in between that, you can use a very good dry shampoo. So the dry shampoo that I like is Rockaholic by Bedhead or Tony and Guy, same company. Another one that I use has been Aquage. I'm trying to think. There's a lot of good dry shampoos out there in the market. And so you just want to make sure that you don't spray too much. Less is more when it pertains to hair, guys. Less is more. But basically what a dry shampoo does is it has a powdery base, and so it absorbs any essentials. It's not essentials. It absorbs any extra oils or dirt or debris that is left in your hair. It doesn't really absorb debris. The debris is a little harsh. You might want to wash your head if you got some debris in your head. But it's going to absorb any gunkiness, nastiness in your hair, and it's going to neutralize the odor, as well as it's going to make your hair look like it's freshly washed and smell really good. However, you still gotta wash it. So you can dry shampoo one week, the next week you're gonna wash it, right? So guys, hopefully that was helpful, right? And hopefully it answered all your questions. If you have any more questions about shedding, tangling, holes, how to repair a hole, please drop it below. Make sure that you like us. Give me time to like this video. Okay, now I'm gonna give you time to subscribe. Okay, thank you so much. And then also you can share this video. Make sure you're following us on all social media platforms at Lavish Locks Hair Company. You guys be safe. God loves you. I love you. And guys, happy shopping. Bye.